Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this green cut crease eye look. If you're interested in seeing how I did it, then please keep watching. Today I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Morphe palette with all those shades selected. First, I'm going to be starting off with a transition color, which was that light beige shade, and I'm just going to be blending that into my crease area below my brow bone. Okay, once that's all blended, I'm going to be taking the shade Abyss from the Morphe palette with this pencil brush, and I'm going to be tracing the crease of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Jada on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be blending out the black line that I created, and also bringing the shade Jada up above that line a little bit. This is going to create a nice gradient effect so that all the colors placed on the eye will nicely flow together. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Enchanted. It's a very beautiful deep green color. And I'm going to be applying that where I previously put the shade Abyss. I'm just doing this step again because we did previously blend it out when we applied the shade Jada to our crease. Now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid to just cut that crease. Now using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Enlight and just setting the concealer. On that same flat brush, I'm going to be applying the shade Jada just to the outer portion of my eye, and then picking up the shade Queen. It's a nice pretty golden shade. I'm just applying that right kind of on top of the shade Jada and then in front. Now I'm just taking the shade Enlight again, and I'm diffusing the two other shades that I placed on my lid. So I just went ahead and picked up a little bit more of the Abyss shade, and I'm just placing this right back into my crease. The key to this look is blending a lot, really taking your time and adding more color when needed. Now that the eyes are looking good and all the color is applied, it is time for lashes. The lashes that I'm applying today are in the style Christina WSP. The last thing I'm going to go ahead and do is apply my Maybelline Falsies mascara in the shade Dark Brown. That completes this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed me recreating this look. If you guys have any ideas and any videos you'd like to see from me next, please leave them in the comment section below.